Pinaka-affordable rent-to-own, no down payment house dito sa Cavite. If interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. For as low as 9,000 monthly, kayang-kaya mo na magkabahay at ang maganda dito guys ay rent-to-own to at no down payment. Ang kailangan lang nating ilabas dito ay 5,000 reservation fee at 12,500 naman para sa miscellaneous fee. Ang kasama dito ay electricity installation at ang advance payment para sa amilya. Upon reservation, mas maganda kung dala mo na lahat ng requirements at makapag-signing ka na ng loan documents at ma-process na ito sa Pag-ibig. Para makahabol ka sa ating first batch ng turnover this coming first quarter ng 2024. Minimum lot size natin ay 36 square meters at floor area naman na 42 square meters. Kaya naman may enough space tayo for living, dining at kitchen area. Ang maganda dito ay very minimal lang ang restriction natin pagdating sa home improvement. Provision ito for 2 bedrooms at pwede mo pa itong maipa-expand. Tamang-tama talaga to for residential or rental business. At ang location nito ay sa tapat lang ng Naik Doctors Hospital. At 1 bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Kaya naman kung interested ka, send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!